Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to invite a friend in Monopoly Go. First, open the Monopoly Go app on your phone. Make sure you are logged into your account so the game can connect to your profile. Once the home screen loads, look for the Friends icon. This is usually located on the right side of your screen. Tap on it to open your Friends menu. Inside the Friends menu, you will see an option that says Add Friends or Invite Friends. Tap this option. A new window will appear with different ways you can invite people. You may see options like sending a link through text message, inviting through Facebook, or sharing your invite code. Choose the method that works best for you. If you select Invite by Link, the game will generate a special invite link. You can send this link to your friend using any messaging app on your phone. Your friend will need to tap the link and follow the instructions to join the game. If you choose to invite through Facebook, you will be asked to connect your Facebook account. After allowing permission, you can select friends from your Facebook list to invite directly. Your friend must accept the invite and install Monopoly Go. That is the full process. Thanks for watching.